Hey guys, welcome back to the plugin series. Our next plugin we are visiting today is Video Insights. So this is a plugin which enables you to interact with your YouTube or Dailymotion videos. This plugin is installed and enabled for me. I hope you guys do that too. So let's move on to what we can do here. So let me enable the Video Insights plugin. Okay, so this plugin is enabled here. So let me move on to this here. So what this plugin can do, it gives you information about various videos from providers like YouTube or Dailymotion. Some data it can give you is summary, metadata, transcript of a video. So first let's get the video summary, and in the next one let's get the full transcript. So if you just enable the plugin, go to your terminal and just do this one, it should actually give you the summary of that. There are variety of other plugins I can provide you, but looks like not all have been implemented yet, and or they don't seem to work consistently. So I've taken only the prompts which I've tested multiple times and they have actually enabled this. So this is basically what it has done. So it gave the video, it gave the summary, it gave the description, and basically that's the amazing part about this. So it gave us that. And in the next one, get full transcript of a YouTube. So this returns the transcript of the entire video. So I'm giving another video for this. Let me try this. Yeah, if you don't trust this, you can actually try any other video. And yeah, I would only, if this does not work fine, just restart a new chat and enable the plugin, retry it. So you might hit some roadblocks sometimes. It's not very consistent. So it is able to do that here. So Google Bard gains new competing features with Adobe Firefly extensions. So it gave the some transcript of the video. And in the next one, you can analyze the audience engagement. So Video Insights plugin can track audience engagement with videos such as how long your viewers watch your video, which part of videos they watch, what they skip. This information can be used to improve audio quality and better understand how viewers are engaging with your content. So you can crowdsource the data, and based on how your audience are behaving, you can tailor content for them. So again, as you can see, it gave us the summary of this, what you can do to engage the content. So the content of your video is the most important factor, and it gave some data, and it looks like it didn't do what we wanted. So let me re-enable the chat and go back to the plugin. So plugin is enabled. Let me retry that prompt. As I told you that probably if you run 5 or 6 prompts once or twice, it would not work as expected. So yeah, it gave us the data here based on the YouTube summary. It's suggesting improve the description. It's quite lengthy and repetitive. Try to be more concise. Encourage viewers interaction. Use relevant tags and promote the video with only 23 views and create a call to action. So if you take a less popular video of yours and ask how can you use to increase engagement, it can do that. And similarly, competitive analysis. So let me ask, how does this video compare with others in the space? Is this doing better, bad, or anything? So let's see what it says. Never mind. I think let me re-enable this chat again, as I told you that it does not work always. So let me re-enable this prompt and let me retry that here. So some of those prompts might not work for you the right first time. I think this is some issue with this plugin. So, but it does a decent job though. It is the same prompt which I had last time is working here, but previously it didn't work. So I don't know why it probably the load or anything, but that's basically what the issue was, but it's working fine here. So to compare with other videos, I need to okay, you need to specify the video IDs. So if you say compare two video IDs and provide the YouTube IDs, it is able to compare those videos. So basically that's all I wanted to cover about the Video Insight plugin. If you are a content creator or have a YouTube channel or creating content and want to track how your competitor ads are doing compared to your ads, you can just copy the URLs and URL IDs and compare them, see how your videos are performing compared to your competitor. So I hope this helps. Thank you for joining.